Carrot soup. A soup from Ireland. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Heat oil and butter in large, heavy saucepan over medium heat. Add carrots, onions, garlic, and cloves and sauté until onion is translucent, about 8 minutes. Add 3½ cups broth. Cover and simmer until carrots are very soft, stirring occasionally, batches in about blender. 30 minutes. Return soup to saucepan. Mix in lemon juice and sugar. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Steam to desired consistency. Whisk with cream in medium bowl just until slightly thickened, about 10 seconds. Step 4. Stir soup over medium heat until heated through. Ladle into bowls. Drizzle cream over. Top with parsley. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.